Learn Hindi feelings fast. Reserved to overwhelmed with.
संकोची,
And.
अभिभूत,
Welcome to the emotional roller coaster. Hey, you're about to learn Hindi through a very dramatic day full of feelings, strange people, and one suspicious samosa. Yes, this is education. Our hero, Sam, walks into a new language club looking a little.
संकोची,
Which means reserved. At the door, the teacher says, "Will you join us?" Sam replies,
जरूर,
meaning certainly. Inside the room, one student is deeply,
दृढ़ निश्चयी,
or determined, to learn 20 words before lunch. Another raises one eyebrow and looks
संदेहपूर्ण,
skeptical, because that plan sounds wildly optimistic. In the corner sits a yoga champion who is wonderfully
शांत,
calm, while a debate captain looks
आत्मविश्वासी,
confident, even before saying anything. Meanwhile, Sam hears a surprise quiz is coming and becomes
तनावग्रस्त,
tense. Then the teacher announces group work, homework, speaking practice, and a song about grammar. Sam is now fully
अभिभूत,
overwhelmed. Congratulations. You already met all 8 target words. Meet the cast. Let's slow down and meet these emotional celebrities one by one. They are dramatic, but very useful. Reserved is.
संकोची,
Imagine someone at a party who smiles politely but stands near the snacks for safety. Certainly is.
जरूर,
It is the warm, confident yes that says, "Of course, I've got this." Determined is.
दृढ़ निश्चयी,
This is the person who sees a mountain and says, "Cute hill. I'm climbing it." Skeptical is.
संदेहपूर्ण,
Think of one eyebrow up, arms crossed, and the face that says, "Really?" Calm is.
शांत,
A still lake. A deep breath. A person who does not panic when the Wi-Fi disappears for 11 seconds. Confident is.
आत्मविश्वासी,
Straight back, steady voice, and the energy of someone who says their own name like a movie trailer. Tense is.
तनावग्रस्त,
Tight shoulders, fast thoughts, and that exam room feeling. Overwhelmed is.
अभिभूत,
Too many tasks, too many sounds, too many tabs open, and maybe too much tea. A very serious, totally normal story. Now listen to the words in a story. It begins, as all great stories do, with a community talent show and poor planning. Sam signs up for the talent show by accident. He is usually
संकोची,
in new groups, so accidentally joining a public event is not ideal. His friend Mira says, "Will you still perform?" Sam sighs and says,
जरूर,
"I already wrote my name. The universe has spoken." Mira is.
दृढ़ निश्चयी,
That Sam can do it. The snack seller is more.
संदेहपूर्ण,
And whispers, this usually ends with forgotten lines and dramatic water drinking. Before going on stage, Sam tries to stay.
शांत,
He takes a deep breath. He stands tall. For 3 glorious seconds, he even feels.
आत्मविश्वासी,
Then the microphone squeaks like an offended bird. Sam becomes.
तनावग्रस्त,
The lights seem too bright, the audience too silent, and one child in the front row is eating chips with aggressive focus. But Sam starts speaking anyway. He stumbles, smiles, continues, and somehow finishes. Afterward, people clap, Mira cheers, and Sam feels a different kind of
अभिभूत,
overwhelmed, but this time in a good way. Mini dialogues you can steal. These lines are short, useful, and easy to repeat. Borrow them freely. Language thieves are welcome here. A. She is quiet in new groups. B. Yes, she is.
संकोची,
A. Can you help me tomorrow? B.
जरूर,
A. Will he give up? B. No, he is.
दृढ़ निश्चयी,
A. Do you believe that strange offer? B. Not really. I feel.
संदेहपूर्ण,
A. I am nervous. B. Stay.
शांत,
A. Are you ready for the interview? B. Yes, I feel.
आत्मविश्वासी,
A. Why are your shoulders so stiff? B. I am.
तनावग्रस्त,
A. How do you feel with all this work? B. Honestly.
अभिभूत,
Quick memory tricks. Let's glue these words into your memory with silly images. The brain loves nonsense more than it admits. 4.
संकोची,
Picture a superhero who saves the city but whispers, "Please don't look at me." 4.
जरूर,
Imagine a giant green stamp that says, "Certainly approved." 4.
दृढ़ निश्चयी,
See a tiny ant pushing a huge sandwich uphill without quitting. 4.
संदेहपूर्ण,
Picture a detective cat with one eyebrow raised at a cucumber wearing sunglasses. 4.
शांत,
Imagine a lake so calm that even your thoughts start speaking softly. 4.
आत्मविश्वासी,
Picture yourself entering a room with invisible movie music behind you. 4.
तनावग्रस्त,
Imagine a rubber band introducing itself in a shaky voice. 4.
अभिभूत,
See an octopus trying to answer 10 phones while reading 7 emails. Your turn quiz. Time for a friendly quiz. No pressure. Well, maybe a tiny educational pressure. What is the Hindi word for reserved?
संकोची,
How do you say certainly in Hindi?
जरूर,
Which word means determined?
दृढ़ निश्चयी,
What is skeptical in Hindi?
संदेहपूर्ण,
How do you say calm?
शांत,
What is the Hindi word for confident?
आत्मविश्वासी,
Which word means tense?
तनावग्रस्त,
And how do you say overwhelmed?
अभिभूत,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just survived an emotional parade in Hindi and did better than Sam at the talent show. Today you practiced.
संकोची, जरूर, दृढ़ निश्चयी, संदेहपूर्ण, शांत, आत्मविश्वासी, तनावग्रस्त,
And
अभिभूत.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, reuse the words in your own sentences, and come back tomorrow.
जरूर.
For more Hindi.